Hi everyone, welcome to Mental Wealth. In this tutorial, we'll explore the surprising connection between our daily habits and mental health. Even the smallest actions can add up, impacting our mood, energy, and overall happiness. Our daily routines may seem insignificant, but they have a profound impact on our mental health. Like tiny drops of water creating ripples in a pond, our habits shape our thoughts, emotions, and overall well-being. We often underestimate the power of these small, repetitive actions, but they accumulate over time. They create a significant force that influences our mental state. Consider the act of getting enough sleep. A consistent sleep schedule regulates our mood, energy levels, and cognitive function. On the other hand, chronic sleep deprivation can lead to irritability, anxiety, and difficulty concentrating. This example highlights how seemingly mundane habits can have far-reaching consequences for our mental health. It is crucial to acknowledge the interconnectedness of our habits and mental well-being. By understanding this relationship, we empower ourselves to make conscious choices. We can choose habits that support our mental health instead of undermining it. This video will delve into the surprising connection between our daily habits and mental health. The link between our habits and mental health is deeply rooted in the intricate connection between the mind and body. Our brains and bodies are in constant communication. Our habits directly influence this communication pathway. For instance, regular physical activity releases endorphins. These endorphins have mood-boosting and stress-reducing effects. Similarly, a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains provides the brain with essential nutrients. These nutrients optimize cognitive function and emotional regulation. Conversely, unhealthy habits such as smoking, excessive alcohol consumption, and drug use disrupt the delicate balance of neurochemicals in the brain. This disruption can lead to a range of mental health issues, including anxiety, depression, and addiction. Furthermore, our habits shape our environment and social interactions, which in turn influence our mental well-being. For example, maintaining a clean and organized living space can promote feelings of calm and control. On the other hand, clutter and disorganization can contribute to feelings of overwhelm and stress. By understanding the interplay between our habits, the mind-body connection, and our surroundings, we can begin to appreciate the profound impact that our daily choices have on our mental health. This understanding paves the way for making informed decisions that support our overall well-being. In today's fast-paced world, many of us unknowingly engage in habits that are detrimental to our mental health. These habits often creep into our lives subtly, disguised as harmless routines or coping mechanisms. However, over time, their cumulative effect can take a toll on our mental well-being. Let's shed light on some of the most prevalent culprits: poor sleep, unhealthy eating, and digital overload. Poor sleep hygiene is a common yet often overlooked habit that can significantly impact our mental state. When we consistently fail to get enough sleep, our cognitive function, emotional regulation, and overall mood suffer. Sleep deprivation can lead to increased irritability, anxiety, difficulty concentrating, and a heightened risk of depression. Unhealthy eating habits, such as consuming excessive processed foods, sugary drinks, and unhealthy fats, can also wreak havoc on our mental health. These foods disrupt blood sugar levels, leading to energy crashes, mood swings, and difficulty thinking clearly. Additionally, a lack of essential nutrients from whole foods can deprive our brains of the building blocks they need for optimal function. Lastly, digital overload, characterized by excessive screen time and constant connectivity, has become a pervasive issue in our technology-driven society. The blue light emitted from electronic devices interferes with our sleep-wake cycles, contributing to poor sleep quality. Moreover, the constant barrage of information and social comparisons on social media can fuel feelings of inadequacy, anxiety, and depression. Breaking free from destructive patterns. Strategies for positive change. Recognizing the detrimental impact of these harmful habits is the first step toward breaking free from their grip. The next step is to equip ourselves with practical strategies for replacing these habits with healthier alternatives. Let's explore how we can address each of these culprits. Improving sleep hygiene is crucial for enhancing our mental well-being. Establishing a consistent sleep schedule, creating a relaxing bedtime routine, and optimizing our sleep environment can significantly improve the quality of our sleep. This means going to bed and waking up around the same time each day, even on weekends. It also involves creating a pre-sleep ritual that signals to our bodies that it is time to wind down, such as taking a warm bath, reading a book, or listening to calming music. When it comes to our diet, making gradual shifts towards healthier choices can have a profound impact on our mental health. Incorporating more fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins into our meals provides our brains with the nutrients they need to function optimally. Staying adequately hydrated by drinking plenty of water throughout the day is also essential for maintaining cognitive function and emotional balance. Addressing digital overload requires setting healthy boundaries with technology. Designating specific times to disconnect from devices and engage in offline activities can reduce our exposure to blue light and give our minds a much-needed break. Engaging in activities that promote relaxation and mindfulness, such as spending time in nature, practicing yoga, or meditation, can help counteract the negative effects of digital overload. The importance of self-care, combating neglect, cultivating well-being. Breaking free from harmful habits is not solely about eliminating negative behaviors. It's also about cultivating positive ones that nurture our mental health. This is where self-care comes into play. Self-care encompasses all the actions we take to tend to our physical, emotional, and mental well-being. It's about prioritizing our needs and engaging in activities that bring us joy, reduce stress, and recharge our batteries. Self-neglect, on the other hand, occurs when we consistently prioritize the needs of others over our own. This can manifest as neglecting our physical health, emotional well-being, or personal growth. Over time, self-neglect can lead to burnout, resentment, and a decline in mental health. To combat self-neglect and prioritize self-care, it's essential to identify activities that replenish our energy and bring us a sense of fulfillment. This could involve engaging in hobbies, spending time with loved ones, pursuing creative outlets, or simply taking some time for ourselves to relax and recharge. Incorporating self-care practices into our daily routines is not selfish. It's essential for maintaining our mental and emotional well-being. Small steps, big impact practical tips for building healthy habits. Changing ingrained habits can seem daunting, but even small incremental changes can make a significant difference. The key is to focus on progress, not perfection. Start by identifying 1 or 2 habits you'd like to change and break them down into smaller, more manageable steps. For instance, if you're aiming to improve your sleep hygiene, start by going to bed and waking up 15 minutes earlier than usual and gradually adjust your sleep schedule in 15-minute increments until you reach your desired sleep duration. If you want to eat healthier, begin by incorporating 1 more serving of fruits or vegetables into your daily diet or swapping out sugary drinks for water. To make healthy habits stick, it's helpful to create a supportive environment. This could involve removing temptations, such as keeping unhealthy snacks out of sight, or enlisting the support of friends and family members who can encourage and hold you accountable. Celebrate your successes along the way, no matter how small they may seem, as this positive reinforcement will help you stay motivated on your journey towards better mental health. A journey to wellness. Embracing progress, not perfection. Breaking bad habits and building healthy ones is not a destination, it's a lifelong journey. There will be setbacks and challenges along the way, but it's important to approach this journey with self-compassion and a willingness to learn and grow from our experiences. Remember that progress, not perfection, is the goal. By making conscious efforts to replace harmful habits with healthier alternatives, we empower ourselves to take control of our mental well-being. Each small step we take towards building a healthier lifestyle creates a ripple effect that extends far beyond our individual lives. It influences our relationships, our communities, and our world. Let us embrace the transformative power of our daily habits and embark on a journey towards greater mental well-being. Remember, we are all works in progress, and every step we take, no matter how small, brings us closer to living happier, healthier, and more fulfilling lives. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button and share your experiences in the comments below. I'd love to know which bad habit you're ready to conquer next. And don't forget to check out our next video on practical strategies to boost your mental well-being here on Mental Wealth. Let's start this journey to better mental health together. In the upcoming weeks, I'll be sharing weekly updates on my personal challenge, exploring different habits, and offering deeper insights into mental health improvement. Remember, every small victory is a step towards a better you. Stay tuned and keep investing in yourself because your mental health is the foundation of all your success. Thank you for watching, and I can't wait to embark on this journey with you.